So into the kadai I'm gonna take 250 grams of butter. It goes into the kadai and let it melt. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 1 tin of condensed milk. We have to put all, and now I'm gonna mix everything together. Okay. So now just mix it. Once it started bubbling, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of maida just to make it thick. Mix it together for 1 minute and then switch off the flame. Once we switch off the flame, I'm gonna add cocoa powder and mix everything together. Make sure that your flame should be switched off while mixing the batter. Otherwise, your chocolate will burn and it start taste bitter. So mix everything together. Okay. As you can see, it's looking delicious. Okay. I'm gonna add some vanilla essence. Here I have taken chocolate vanilla essence. I'm gonna use 4 drops of vanilla essence here and mix everything together again. Here I have taken 1 tin covered with some butter paper and butter, and I'm gonna add all my batter into our tin. Level everything. So a batter is into the tin, and now I'm gonna add some cocoa powder. I'm gonna sprinkle the cocoa powder over the fudge. Once it's done, I'm gonna add some chocolate sauce over the fudge. Add 1 teaspoon of our condensed milk on our fudge. You can add dry fruits if you want to. Here. And let it set for a refrigerator for an hour. Our chocolate fudge is ready. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.